how to create a new Fortnite account on your Nintendo Switch 2. So to be able to create a new Fortnite account on your Nintendo Switch 2, first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and go to your Switch home menu. Select system settings from there and then select users and then select add user. Choose create new user and follow the prompts. Link this new user to a new Nintendo account. Now, after that, go ahead and create a new Epic Games account. On a phone or computer, go to epicgames.com, click on sign up, and create a new Epic Games account. Use a different email than your previous account and then verify your email and log in. Now, after you do this, go ahead and link your Epic account to your new Nintendo profile. So go to Epic Games account settings, under account select Nintendo, click connect, and then sign in with your new Nintendo account linked to your new Switch user. Confirm the connection, and then after that, go ahead and launch Fortnite. So open your Switch, open Fortnite, and it will now use your new Epic Games account, fresh stats, cosmetics, and progress. And that is how you can basically create a new Fortnite account on your Nintendo Switch 2.